Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is serene. It is pronounced serene, and it is spelt S-E-R-E-N-E. Think sir, S-E, then re, R-E, and then ni, N-E. Serene. Serene means calm, peaceful, and untroubled. For example, you could say, the water of the lake was serene and still. The word serene comes from the Latin serenus, meaning peaceful, calm, and clear, usually in reference to the weather. Therefore, its meaning has remained relatively unchanged. However, the word serene has also been used to describe people since around the 1630s. For example, you could say she looked serene to describe someone who was looking calm and peaceful. The Sea of Serenity, or Mare Serenitatis, to give it its full Latin name, can be found in an unusual place. Can you guess where? I'll give you a clue. It's not on this planet. The Sea of Serenity can be found on the Moon. It is a large, dark plain formed by an ancient asteroid hitting the Moon. If you look up at the Moon from Earth, you might be able to see the darker plains on the Moon's surface. It is called a sea because early astronomers looked up at the Moon and mistook it for an actual sea as it appeared a little bit darker than the rest of the Moon. There is no water in the Sea of Serenity. Serene is an adjective and therefore a describing word. For example, you could say she sung a serene lullaby to help the baby fall asleep. Serene is defined in the dictionary as peaceful and calm, worried or troubled by nothing. Serene's synonyms include comfortable, composed, cool, easygoing, laid back, peaceful, cloudless, and clear. Antonyms include agitated, annoyed, clamorous, excited, cloudy, and stormy. See if you can notice anything serene today. It could be the weather, or it could be a person. Either way, impress your family by using your new word today, serene. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.